Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Affirm to your Stripe account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Stripe, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding Affirm as a payment method in Stripe is a straightforward process that can offer several benefits for your customers and, of course, for your business, because it will allow paying customers to finance their purchases with flexible payment plans. By offering this option, you can increase sales as customers are more likely to complete purchases when they have the option to pay over time. Now, depending on how you set up your Stripe account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear or the cog icon settings. Click on the Payments tab, and from here, hover to the Payment Methods. Now, you just have to hover down below where you can see the Affirm. This one right here. If it's not turned on, click on this button right here. You have the three dots wherein you can click create the custom rules if you want it, but for now we're going to turn it on. Having said all of that, when you click on it, you see Affirm is a buy now pay later method that enables customers in the US and Canada to pay in installments or monthly payments. Now it's active, so that's one way for you to add Affirm to your Stripe account. But if you wanted to have more control and create custom rules, you might want to do that. Now, you can put in any custom rules here on Affirm. Number one is the transaction amounts. You can show Affirm based on transaction amounts, all right, from a minimum of $69 to a maximum of $30. The present mint currency, you can specify availability of Affirm by currency. Now, I don't have the option to edit the currency because I am using the test data. If you do have like live data, you might want to click on edit if you wanted to support other currencies apart from the USD, like GBP, Singaporean dollars, and a lot, or your local currency. Now you have the last option, which is going to be the customer location. You can specify availability of Affirm by custom region or any country. Once you are happy with that, all you have to do is click on Save Rules. Now, by adding Affirm to your Stripe account, you can enhance your payment options, attract more customers, and ultimately boost your sales and revenue. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.